Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's make nutritious food. Today we will prepare veg dalcha. Take a vessel and add 2 cups of chana dal and soak it for 2 hours. Soak tamarind as well. Now pressure cook the soaked chana dal for 4 to 5 whistles by adding salt in it. Take a vessel, add oil, add chopped onions, mix it. Fry it on low flame. Add slit green chilies, add ginger garlic paste. Give it a good mix. Add salt, add turmeric powder, add garam masala. Mix everything properly. Now add chopped tomatoes, add radish, add bottle gourd, mix everything properly and cook on low to medium flame. Cover the lid for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and give it a good mix. Now add brinjal, add chopped coriander, add mint leaves, mix everything properly. Once again cover the lid and cook for some time. After 5 minutes open the lid, mix everything properly. Now mash the boiled chana dal. Now add the boiled chana dal into the veggies, add tamarind pulp, add water, mix everything properly. Add coriander powder and chili powder. Mix it well. Add mint leaves. Cover the lid. Bring it to a boil. Check in between. Mix everything properly. Finally add few coriander leaves and it is ready. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe the video. Your support matters a lot. Thank you so much.